Hi there. I am going to show you Palette Scout. This is an amazing set. So what it did, I talked to, I can't remember her name. I'm so sorry. I didn't get that before I got here. I met her at QuiltCon in 2026, so this year, and it just it blew me away, this set. You know, I'm always really good with color, but I hear a lot of struggles from people that's the thing that really gets them. They don't know how to use their stash. They don't know what colors to put together. They bring things in and we try to help them with it. But this is a way that you can do it yourself and it teaches you color. So the Palette Scout, it goes through hues, talks all about color theory, value, intensity, terms, how to make color palettes. Make your first palette, use a range of values, incorporate tones, all the different complementary, monochrome, analogous, split complement, triadic, all of that kind of stuff is in this little booklet, and their online has even more information. It's got all the colors listed here, but don't, and then, you know, to reset the deck, but don't be fooled. You get a lot with just these colors. It's got challenge cards, so if you are getting frustrated with colors or whatever, it's got a few challenges that you can do. So this is a fun interactive kind of grouping. So this is one of the sets. This is the part that you'll use second. First, what you'll do is use these cards. It's a whole rainbow of cards here. You'll pick that one fabric that you know you're going to want, right? It's usually your hero fabric. It's usually the one with that nice print in it. So you'll pick and you'll find one. We actually did this and we chose this color. This was the color that we were going to start with, all right? So then what you do is you go through here. I took it out already, but you go through here and you find it. And this is ocean. It says ocean right here. So I pull the ocean card. These cards, they come with all of these colors, right? It's almost like paint chips. You get all these colors and then you get a different set of colors on the back. So you really have a lot of colors here, but we like bright, so we were doing bright. All right, so we have this color. I'm gonna put these back over here. And these are all the tones. So you saw the front over here that I showed you, and then the back. So these are the tone, pure intensities and tones. And again, they define it in the little book. But what we're gonna look at is the palette ideas. So here they're giving you ideas. Let me move. I'm going to put this back in here. So this goes in alphabetical order. You see Midnight, Neptune. So I'm going to stick Ocean right in there. I don't want to stick it because I'm OCD like that. I like to keep things organized. All right. So complement. This is our first fabric. And that's why we chose that color. So a nice complement to it is you see this, it's kind of a reddish color. This is the color that complements that, right? So there's your complement. These look amazing together. And as you know, Christmas colors, green and red go together, but this is kind of an aqua, but it's got a lot of green in it, right? Because it's that aqua color. So the red looks really good with it. This should come very natural to you. Things that you see every day, red and green, you know, blue and orange, those kind of things. So that's what your complementary colors that you're familiar with. Now, monochrome is the next one. A little bit lighter. Again, when you're doing ombre, you know this one as well, right? It feeds into each other. So that is your monochrome. I'm going to set this one to the side because we're not going to use that one again. And then our analogous, we're going to bring in, this is doing like three that are kind of on the same side. So we're going to bring in a green. This may not be as natural to you, right? So there's your analogous, right? We've got the teal, the purple, and the green. this doesn't feel as natural. And to me, I like some analogous colors, but for this one, I really don't. This isn't my favorite, but it does work together, and this does appeal to some people. So we'll set that one aside. And then we have got the split complement, which gives you the complement there and brings it in here. Now, this we love. This actually really works for us. So I'm going to set that aside because I've got some cuts of it. And you can really see how when we chose from our stash, you can get colors that work. That gives you that split complement. We didn't even go further. We couldn't find a pink in our stash that we liked, so we didn't go with that one. But that right there is beautiful. And now you've chosen from your stash, I mean, obviously my store, but you can choose from your stash, and now you have colors that really work together and make a beautiful quilt. I'm going to turn the video around and show you just how beautiful that looks. Hi there, I'm in my messy office. It's in the morning, the cleaners are here, barn painting is about to get started, but that's okay, here we go. I want to show you what this looks like. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this quilt turned out to be. Now we didn't finish it because we just got some of these fabrics in this week. But look at this. Those are those colors that we picked out from this card, from the split complement. These colors that look so good together make an amazing quilt. This is how I think that you can use this in your stash when you have that hero print that you bought but you didn't buy the complementary colors. This will help you figure out when you go into a store what to buy. You can just take this card, right? You can just take this card. You've already got your color. You don't have to bring everything, and you can find colors that you really like. But it comes in this cute little box. It's not that big. See, it's just about the size of my hand. This is easy to carry around. Great to take to retreats and things like that where you're doing swaps and everything. You absolutely need to get this. Out of all the color cards I've ever seen, this is the one that gives you the theory and tells you exactly how to use it to find the colors that work for your amazing quilt. So this pattern is in, I think, the Easy Blocks from Fabric Cafe. We have those books available, and they're great for stash busting, right? They just take 1 yard cuts, and you could even use this. See all of this right here? You could do, like if you chose the pure intensity, you could do that for every one of these colors and do smaller amounts like fat quarters or something like that and really make a beautiful quilt. So it's a very versatile system that you can use, and there you go. I love it. I hope you do too. And thank you so much for being with us. You have a wonderful day and happy sewing.